Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to delete collections on TikTok. Okay, let's jump into it. Open your TikTok app, then go to your profile. Then select collections. Choose any collection what you want to delete. Then tap on this share button. Now select delete. Okay, now you successfully deleted your collection from TikTok. If you want to add a new collection, tap on this plus icon and select videos from favorites. Keep this in mind. You can only add videos from your favorites to your collections. Hope this video is helpful for you guys. See you in the next one.